Unlike other sprayers, our Victory sprayers come with a 3-way adjustable nozzle. The nozzle has settings for 40, 80, and 110 microns. Having a 3-way adjustable nozzle allows the user to adjust the micron size based on the dwell time desired. To insert the nozzle, insert the wrench and nozzle into the front end of the unit. Rotate the wrench counterclockwise 1/4 turn until the nozzle locks into place. To rotate the nozzle, simply insert the wrench into the nozzle end of the unit and rotate clockwise. The nozzle will click when the next micron size is properly in place. To remove the nozzle from the unit, insert the wrench into the nozzle end and rotate counterclockwise until the nozzle comes loose. To prevent the sprayer from dripping after use, keep the unit level and wipe off any remaining solution from the nozzle end with a towel.